Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. Let's continue the chapter number 3, Logic Gates. So, this is the second part of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we will be learning about De Morgan theorem and principle of duality, complement, etc. So let's start the class. So my first topic is, children, De Morgan theorem. So De Morgan, he is a great mathematician, developed two theorems, okay, which have brought immense utilities in Boolean algebra. So this law states that the complement of a sum of the variable is same as the product of the complement of the variable and vice versa. Means, suppose that there are two variables a and b. So this law states that the complement or a sum of the variable means a plus b, the complement of a plus b is equal to a dash dot b dash. Okay, this is the first law. And the second law, see that a dot b, the complement of a dot b is equal to a dash plus b dash. Okay, so which is very helpful to solve the any Boolean expressions. So De Morgan law states that the complement, the sum of the variable is same as the product of the variable and vice versa. Okay, right? So next topic is principle of a duality. Principle of a duality. So this law states that all 1 change to 0, 0 change to 1, plus change to dot, and dot change to plus sign. Okay, so this is the conversion of one expression to another expression. So look at this point. So in this point, Boolean expression, we can obtain another Boolean expression by replacing each plus sign with dot, dot with plus, 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. So but the variable must remain same during this process. This is the important point. Variable does not change. Variable must remain same during this process. So the expression so obtained is known as dual expression, and the process of conversion is termed as principle of duality. Right? Look at just some examples of principle of a duality. Okay, suppose that given that a plus 0, okay, is equal to 0. So dual of this expression is a, this plus sign change to dot, this one change to 1 is equal to a. This is the dual expression of this expression. Okay, look at this another example. So a in bracket a plus b is equal to a. So the dual of this expression is a, this plus sign change to dot, b is equal to a. So I hope you understand what is the principle of duality. So principle of duality means all the plus sign change to dot, dot change to plus, 1 change to 0 and 0 change to 1. But the variable must remain same. Okay. Now the next topic is logic gates. So children, logic gate, it is an integrated circuit which is used to perform logical operation or a Boolean functions. Okay. There are 3 basic logic gates. Okay. Name is AND, OR and NOT gate. Okay, so in the yes, so now we will be discussing about NOT gate. So NOT gate, you know that it is a inverse gate. It is also called a inverse gate. Okay, so AND gate, there are only one input and a one output. Okay, in NOT gate, right? This is the symbol of a NOT gate. Okay, so here the input A and this is the output. If the input is 0, then output is 0. If the input is 1, then output will be 0. Okay, so it is the complement of the input signal, right? Next one, OR gate. You know that OR gate, it is a logic gate that require two or more signals but result in only one output signal, which is sum of the all input signal is termed as OR gate. So in this gate, okay, so if any one condition is true, then output will be true, otherwise false. This is the symbol of OR gate. Okay, so this is the symbol of OR gate. Okay, now AND gate. Next one is AND gate. So AND gate produce a signal output from a number of input signal, which is product of all the input signal. Okay, so here the condition is when both condition is true, then output will be true, otherwise false in AND gate. Look at this symbol of a AND gate, and this is the truth table of AND gate. Okay, yes. So now the next topic is derived logic gates. Derived logic gates. So there are some gates which are available with the combination of two or more fundamental gates. Such gates are referred to as a derived gate. Okay, so there are four derived logic gates. Okay, so first one is NOR, second one is NAND, third one is XOR and XNOR. These are four derived logic gates. Okay, these gates, yes. So next, first another topic is NOR gate. Okay, beta, NOR gate. As the name suggests, NOR gate means it is the combination of NOT plus OR gate. Or in other language, we can say that the inverse of OR gate is called a NOR gate. The inverse of OR gate is called a NOR gate. Look at this symbol of a NOR gate. So here, this is the OR gate, okay, and combined with a NOT gate. Okay, this one. This is the final output, A plus B, the complement of A plus B. So it is a NOR gate. Look at this truth table. Okay, so here A and B, these are two input signal. Okay, and you know that in OR gate, if any one condition is true, then output will be true. But here we use NOR gate. So NOR gate is the inverse of a OR gate. Okay, so 0 0 means 0, 0 1 means 0, 1 0 means 0, and 1 1 means 0. So this is the truth table of a NOR gate. Similarly, in the NAND gate, so NAND gate is the inverse of AND gate. NAND gate is the complement or inverse of a AND gate. Okay, yes, look at this picture. So this is the symbol of a NAND gate. So this is the AND gate and combined with this NOT gate. So combination of NOT plus AND gate is known as a NAND gate. Okay. And this is the truth table of NAND gate. You know that AND gate, when both condition is true, then output will be true. But in NAND gate, it is the inverse of a AND gate. Clear? Yes. So they are two NAND plus AND. These are two drive logic gates. Okay. Next one is exclusive OR gate. So children, exclusive gate means it is the combination of AND plus OR plus NOT. Means it is the combination of all three fundamental gates. Exclusive gate means combination of all three basic logic gates, means AND plus OR plus NOT. Okay, so this is the second part of this chapter number 3. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Thank you.